Oh, sorry about that. I, sorry about that. I need, I needed to clear space off of my tablet. I got the message, um, file limit reached or something to that effect. And well, let's just jump back in. Let's just let's just jump back into it. Okay, and we're gonna do 12 Gunamon. And check out something really cool here. You can use any Dichig for you can use any Dichig. You can basically use you can basically use any Dichig on any of the Digimon from on any of the following Digimon: Ganamon, Vimon. No, let's start again. Vimon, Armadillomon, Hawkmon, Ganamon, uh, Vimon, Hawkmon, Armadillomon, Vimon, Hawkmon, Armadillomon, Patamon, and Ganamon. So for Rookie Digimon and one champion Digimon can number to 12 using any of the Digieggs in this determined right here. I think in the exception to that is Terriermon. I think in the exception to that is Terriermon, who can only armor to 12 with the golden Digiegg of Destiny. Let's see what we got with the. Let's see what we got when we armor to 12 kind of with the Digiegg of Courage. Of Courage. I believe that's Lynxmon. Rivers? Okay, and you can also boss my number. You can boss my name, number, card. You can connect to you can connect to a D3. You can connect to a D3 um maybe maybe one and maybe one of the and maybe one of the other devices. I'm not sure at the moment. Um, and then and then the the main the main function the main functions of the main functions of the D terminal are database, translate, uh, 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 translate, basically translates the Digimon name from English to to American Digicode or just Digicode. Um, uh, I'm I'm gonna say I'm gonna say the American Digicode because 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 the Japanese Digicode were the Jap- because the Japanese because the Japanese Digicode uh, works differently than the American Digicode. Okay, and here's the and here's a game. Game A is a and game B is is a puzzle. It's basically one of those kernel puzzles. It's basically one of the one. This basically works. This these puzzles these puzzles basically work similarly to the slider puzzles, except in instead of sliding, um, you click on one. I'm just gonna demonstrate it. Okay, bring it down here. Highlight level. Oh, yeah.